If you've been a realtor for a period of time, you might have recognized that our self-employed friends are not treated the same when it comes to buying a home and actually financing that home, typically with the big banks or credit unions. And the reason is our self-employed borrowers take advantage of the tax laws, which they have every right to. And so they work with a CPA, a tax preparer, that reduces their tax liability down to the lowest possible number. The problem is when they go to get a mortgage, the lenders underwrite the tax returns, and often there is what we call a debt to income ratio challenge, where they're just not showing on paper that they have enough income coming in, when the actuality is self-employed people are some of the wealthiest people in the world and often are doing very well. So actually the industry, and it's not with the big banks, not with the credit unions, all they'll do is what we call full doc loans. But we've got no tax returns loans. And there's the beauty of it is it's not just actually many realtors are probably hearing about bank statement loans, which are a very viable option where we essentially take 12 or 24 months of bank statements, look at the deposits, add them up, divide by 12 or 24 months, and then apply an expense ratio factor depending on the business and some criteria that's required. But there's also, which is a little less known, is a P&L loan. We can actually get a P&L from a CPA or a licensed tax preparer and use that for income purposes. So no tax returns, no bank statements, and maybe taking it a step further. And that's for owner occupied or non-owner. But another great loan is what we call DSCR loans for the investment side of things, where we don't need income, we don't need employment. And actually one of them, we don't even need the rents to be applied. There is the DSCR actually usually takes it based on the property itself and looks at the rents. And as long as your housing payment doesn't exceed the possible rents, you're good to go. But we could take it one step further where the rents aren't even factored in. So it's really based on down payment, credit scores, and reserve requirements. These are real viable options with very competitive rates that can help people who otherwise cannot qualify for a full doc loan. Love to help out in any way I can. Reach out with questions. Be happy to answer those for you. We can run scenarios and see if we can help our self-employed people get the financing they deserve and get into homes they want. Thank you.